souls, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the magical world of Procreate, and guess what? You all are coming along for the ride. So grab your stylus, dust off your creative caps, and let's get started. Alright, so let's start off with the blank canvas. Now what should we create today? How about a cloth item and a cat merged together? Sounds wild, right? Let's do it. So you need to add the symmetry tool to work on both the sides of the canvas at the same time. And I'll add on assist whenever I will need. So yeah, firstly I am trying to draw a pocket. You can say the shirt pocket or a jeans pocket, whichever pocket you like. So yeah. And then I am adding a cute cat above the pocket. So it's looking like she's coming out from the pocket. She or he, that doesn't matter. Once you give her or him a name. So yeah, don't forget to add a cute name to this cute little cat in the comments down below. Yeah, so here I'm adding a blink face. I was struggling with the ears a lot. I was not able to get the perfect shape of the ears. You can see me struggling a lot in that. But yeah, once it's done, we'll add some colors. All I have added is basic shapes, and you can see with the little basic shapes you can create a very cute piece out of it. And remember, in Procreate the only limit is your imagination, so just go with the flow. Now here's where the real magic happens, adding colors. Let's make it pop with vibrant shades. Why not? So I was trying to add a highlight kind of the lighter blue shade, but I didn't like it. And then I'm selecting what pattern it can go in the pocket. So I went with the polka dots themed. So it's just so simple and basic yet cute. Yeah. So adding that. Now you can see it's looking so cute, although it's not yet completed. Now I was adding a line in the fold of the pocket, you can say. Yeah. So I was struggling here also. I don't know why. I was removing the extra, but it went something wrong. Then I went all the way back and then created it again. And that's that. See, so the pocket has done. We'll add some shadows and stuff later on. Now it's time for the cat. I went with the gray cat, the street kind of cat, like a cartoony gray blacky cat. Now adding the blush, removing the extras, and yeah, the cat is almost done. Oh my god, look at the blend of the colors dancing together like a digital symphony. So yeah, I added a little bit of shadows where it was needed. I went with the shadow in the cat, but I was not liking it because it was looking too dark on it. So I didn't add that. And yeah, that's almost it. I'll add some texture on the pocket, and that's it. I hope you had as much fun as creating with me as I did. Remember, the world of Procreate is an oyster, so go forth, explore, and unleash your inner artist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative contents. Until next time, bye bye.